Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another Java tutorial. In this video we will be going over the super keyword in Java. So we're going to create a couple of classes here. So let's just create a new class. And I'm going to name this class animal. Right, and we'll make that, and then we'll also need another class. And I don't know, we can name this any animal that we want. Let's do, sure, let's just do cat. So now we have our three classes. So in the animal class, let's create a string. Then let's set the color to, let's just do white, right? Now in the cat, let's create another color, and let's set this to black. So we have white and black. And with the cat, obviously we're gonna extend to the animal class, just this one here. So now let's just create ourselves a print method. We'll do void. We'll just do print color like that, and then we'll just print out. We will print out the color, and then in this one we'll also print out the color. Except now we're gonna print out the super dot color like that. Okay. Now in our main class, if we go back, we create a object from cat, okay, and then if we call the method that we created, which is the print color, you will see what's going to happen when we print it, or when we run this. You can see we get black and white. So all I'm doing is I am calling this method here. What's happening is this print statement is printing out black, this color. But then this print statement is printing out white, as you can see. But the reason why it's printing out white and not black is because we have added this super keyword. And what this means is the super keyword is just it gets access to the field of the parent class. So the parent class for this class is animal. So by calling super.color, it will get color from the parent class and not from the class that it's in, the child class. So super color, it will look for this class here, and it will look for the variable color, and it will print out white. So that's about it for the super keyword in Java. Hope this video helped. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.